What's the meaning of accommodate? Accommodate. 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 The word accommodate has several meanings, but in general it means to provide with what is needed or desired. It can also mean to make something fit or suitable, or to adjust to something. In the context of a business, accommodate can mean to provide services or products that meet the needs of customers. For example, a hotel might accommodate guests with disabilities by providing wheelchair-accessible rooms and accessible bathrooms, or a restaurant might accommodate customers with dietary restrictions by offering a variety of gluten-free and vegan options. Here are some examples of how the word accommodate can be used in a sentence. The hotel was able to accommodate our request for a room with a king-size bed. The restaurant accommodated our dietary restrictions by providing us with a gluten-free meal. The company was able to accommodate the employee's request for a flexible work schedule.